learners. I am Dr. Tejasra Kalita, Discipline of Philosophy, KK State Open University. Today, I am briefly going to discuss about how in applied ethics we do research. Now, so far as applied ethics is concerned, it is something which is regarded to be a branch of ethics. Now, so far as ethics is concerned, it is again a branch of philosophy. We know that philosophy has three main branches called metaphysics, which studies about reality, epistemology, which studies about knowledge, and axiology, which studies about values. Now, axiology or moral philosophy or ethics is an important branch of philosophy which has again three important branches. One is the meta-ethics, another is the normative ethics, and another is the applied ethics. Now, here we'll discuss how in applied ethics we do research. Now, see, so far as philosophy is concerned, here we do research mainly on the basis of applying analytic skill or by describing the facts. Now, in applied ethics, what we do, we used to take some issues from the external world or empirical world, and with the help of normative ethics, which consists of some important ethical theories, we used to discuss those issues. Suppose we are taking some issues. Again, before taking the issues, I'm just going to tell you that in applied ethics, there are various kinds of divisions like bioethics. Again, we have business ethics, we have sports ethics, we have engineering ethics. Now, suppose we are taking bioethics. Under bioethics, we'll find some different kind of ethics like medical ethics. Again, we'll have environmental ethics. We have, again, suppose we can take about other important issues related to stem cell and etc. Now, if we are going to take medical ethics, under that also we'll find various issues like surrogacy, abortion, euthanasia, etc. Here, how we used to do research. It is not possible for us to take all the issues in a particular thesis or in a particular project. So, so far as a project or a thesis is concerned, here we used to take one particular issue and we used to see whether a particular point or particular issue of that issue can be taken into consideration or not. As for example, we can take the issue of surrogacy. Now, whenever we are saying about surrogacy, we'll find that with that some issues will automatically found to be connected, like the body of woman which is being used as a mean, etc. Now, in applied ethics, what we'll do, we'll see whether which is also a body of a human can be used as a mean or not, or can be used as a business purpose or not. In surrogacy, we found that there are various issues found to be related with this particular issue. Like we found that if we are going to discuss about surrogacy, we'll found that whether a woman body can be used as a mean or not, or whether it can be used as a business purpose or not. If we are criticizing prostitution, why we are not criticizing and supporting surrogacy? These kind of issues will automatically be immersed with the issue with surrogacy. So this kind of things are discussed in applied ethical research. Now we have different theories like utilitarianism. Again, we have theories like Kantian deontology and virtue ethics. Now, so far as Kantian deontology is concerned, it gives emphasis on the duty for duty's sake. And so far as utilitarianism is concerned, we know that utilitarianism believes in the maximum happiness of the greatest number, and virtue ethics gives importance on values and virtues. Now, this virtue ethics also have different categories like Aristotelian eudaimonism. Then we have other theories like moral agent theory, like and another contemporary theory like care ethics, which gives importance on the care giving elements of human being. So, by taking into consideration of all these theories, we used to discuss or we used to analyze or we used to describe the issue of surrogacy under the applied ethical banner, and we used to see whether this particular issue like surrogacy can be regarded to be ethical or not. If it is found to be ethical, under what condition it is ethical, and if it is not ethical, then under what condition it is not regarded to be ethical. For this, in applied ethics, what we do, we also take some considerations of social instances, because in applied ethics, those issues which we used to take are always taken from the society, and without the help of taking issues from society or legal aspect or cultural aspect, or we cannot come to a conclusion, or we cannot found the factors which are related with the issue of surrogacy. So in this way, we used to discuss the problems of various social issues or with the help of ethical theories. Again, one thing what we want to say here is that if we are going to discuss applied ethical issues, it is also related with applied philosophy. So it is not the case that only with the help of normative ethics only we used to discuss these theories. For that, we also take other philosophical theories which are related with human being, like existentialism, again phenomenology, sometimes Marx or other philosophers which have given emphasis on human being and its various roles. So whenever we do research in applied ethics, we used to take into consideration of all these things and then we used to do our research. So this is in brief about how in applied ethics we used to do research, and I think you have at least understood or have a very general idea about how in applied ethics we used to do research. Thank you very much.